Hi everyone, so to redo my letter H exponent, which is x to the second power y to the minus 4 power times x to the third power y to the second power. I did a lot of research on it in the past few days, realizing that I did it completely wrong, so you can tell that I've been out of math class for a while. But basically what I did first for my first step is I added the powers together. So first was the x, so I added x to the second power and x to the third power, which obviously 3 and 2 is 5. So then x to the fifth power. Then I also added the y to the negative fourth power and y to the second power, which gives you obviously negative 2. So if I put those together, it's x to the fifth power, y to the negative 2 power. Now, you can't have negative components, they have to be positive, so I was trying to think of how to do this and basically came up with, hey, I could put it as a fraction over 1. So I put it as a fraction over 1 to get my positive, which gave me x to the fifth power over y to the second power. And that was my final answer. It was a lot more simpler than what I had previously done, and this honestly really helped me do the quiz as well. So that is my final answer for the letter H because my last name is Hall. Thank you guys.